Perry, what's going on? Wes and Tim at the field school here. Yeah! Alright, so we've got all 8 receivers on and all 8 transmitters on. Have a look at our rack there. Okay, Sennheisers are off. Everything's gravy when all 8 are on.
We got them set to master list.
Master list. Everything's groovy. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off microphone, our second one here, okay? Here I'm going to turn off number 2. Okay, number 2's off. Oh, there we go. Right, I'm just going to kind of, yep, that stuff. Yeah, that's the noise.
And if we turn off more than one, we're going to get that on more than one channel.
Yep, so that's just an example of one mic turning off.
Turn another one.
And, okay, now I'm going to turn off, which one is this? I'm going to turn off this one. Here we go. Okay, now there's 2 off. Okay. And, yep. Yep, that's happening. Yep, that's happening. It's very inconsistent, but it definitely happens. And the lights on the receivers also come on.
Anyway, that's good. Successful test. Sounds bad. All right.
Thanks, Perry.
Thanks for your help, Perry.
Perry!